is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you are interested in, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell for notification. On this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Peace and Beauty box. Now, I discovered this box from being in an entrepreneur Facebook group. And when I found out about the box and what it stood for, I thought that it was excellent. It's basically a self-care subscription box service. And you know me, I work hard, but I also take care of myself even harder. So I will leave a link to her website, and she's also given us a coupon code for my followers. So I will leave that in the description box below. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see what's in this beauty box. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. This is the Peace and Beauty box. I'd only taken it out of the original, the package, the shipping package. So this is the box that everything comes in. Okay, just gonna cut across this part. Let's see what we have. Okay, oh, this is so nice. There's a little envelope, and I do love the ink stamp, the old-fashioned, you know, rubber ink stamp. So let's see what's in here. I'm not going to read every single thing because when you get your box, you will be able to read all of the contents. But it does say thank you. And then also a list of the items that are in this box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now everything is wrapped so nice and so luxurious. I love it already. Okay, so this is Courage goat milk soap. So I do like this. Okay, let's see, there's so many yummy things in here. Okay, so this is whipped premise foot scrub. Okay, this is great. I do definitely love a nice foot scrub. So this is definitely something that's wonderful when it comes to self-help. Okay, let's see what's in this little drawstring bag. Oh, it looks like a bunch of goodies. Okay, so this is tea drop, some berry acai white tea. So that's really interesting. I'm looking forward to that. Oh, and then some ginger peach cobbler. And then this is a Cocoa Divine chocolate. Ooh, Cocoa Divine. That's definitely for me. And then also some other Cocoa Divine chocolate. So that's really nice. So let's go ahead and just put this back in the little drawstring bag and see what else we have in this self-care box. Okay, this is, I believe it's a card. So this is a card, a blank card, but it's really beautiful. I just love the mahogany girl. Oh, it fell on the other side. But I did love the mahogany girl on the cover. I'll pick it up and show it to you later. Okay, what is in this burlap box? Now, one thing about the owner of this company, she is a small business owner, a woman of color, and I definitely wanted to support her in her business. So if that's something that you do, if you love to support small business owners, definitely check out her website. Okay, so this is Heels and Toes. Let's see what it says. It's a body source. Okay, so great. This is also for those rough areas of your feet when you want to just really scrub and get the heel and foot scrub. So that's great. Oh, okay. You've got this. So this is a book, 90 Devotions to Equip and Empower Hard-Working Women. Oh my God, I love this. And you know what? I don't know what size this is, but this is absolutely like the best size if you're gonna go on a plane or you're on a bus or a train. You just kind of want to break out your book and read. I'm really old-fashioned. I mean, I have all the electronics, but there's just something about a good book, and I actually love this. Number 36, saying no. Let what you say be simply yes or no. Anything more than that comes from evil. You know, I'm always saying no is a complete sentence, and you can't be afraid to say no. So I already know I like this. You got this. Okay. Ah, some pretty little earrings. You know, I am a jewelry gal. Okay, let's see what else we have. This is, I know it's like a little bag, a little, let's see, I'm looking at the list to see if there's actually something, the name of it, but I don't see it. But anywho, this is what it says. I can't read without my glasses, but anyway, so this looks like it's like a little makeup bag or something. And you know, you can never have too many makeup bags, so this is just wonderful. You know, you can use this as a makeup bag, as a clutch, as a tech bag. You know, you can basically put whatever you want in it. So I definitely do like that. And ultimately, that is it. So overall, I am definitely very satisfied and in love with this whole Peace and Beauty box. I love the idea, I love the premise, and I will leave the link to her website below. And then also her company, or her coupon code for my followers is Divine. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely check out the site and place an order. Okay, so overall, I really do like all the items that are curated in this self-care box. I will leave a link to her website and then also the coupon code that she has for our followers. It is Divine. Very simple, easy. D-I-V-I-N-E. If you have any questions or comments about anything you've seen in this video or this channel, please leave them in the comment section below. If you are a small business owner and you would like for me to review some of your items, definitely let me know. I love to support other small business owners. I am a small business owner myself, so please reach out to me also via email or in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching this video and liking this video as well. Have a divine day.